From aspects of grinding efficiency, powder drying, abrasion of vulnerable parts, and maintenance and replacement of spare parts. SBM is LM vertical. Grinding mill achieves lower energy consumption, stronger drying capacity, as well as lower abrasion and easier checks of core parts, saving the operating cost greatly. The LM vertical grinding mill can deal with limestone, calcite, dolomite, petroleum coal. The grinding plate rotates under the action of main motor of LM vertical grinding mill and the reducer. Meanwhile, hot wind enters the vertical mill. After raw materials fall onto the center of grinding plate, the LM vertical grinding mill, launched by SBM Group, while passing through the grinding area between roller and grinding plate, bulky materials are broken directly by the pressure of roller while fine materials form a layer where materials crush each other. Broken materials after grinding continue moving to the edge of grinding plate until they are brought away by the airflow at the air ring for coarse materials, which cannot be brought away would fall onto the grinding plate for another grinding. When passing the upper separator, materials in the air flow will be divided into two parts by the blades of rotor, that is coarse particles and fine powders. Coarse particles would be sent back to have another grinding while the qualified fine powders enter the powder collector with airflow as finished products for sundries like iron block and materials. When they move to the fringe of grinding plate, because of their heavier weight they would drop to the lower cavity of grinding mill, and next be sent into the discharging port by scarper installed at the bottom of grinding plate and finally be discharged out of the grinding mill based on the absorption of advanced technologies of famous international corporations and 30 years experience in grinding mill production. SBM has launched the LM vertical grinding mill, which integrates 5 functions of crushing, grinding, powder selection, drying and material conveying. It is characterized by centralized technological process, small occupational area, low investment, high efficiency, energy conservation and environment protection.